Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Today I'm here with another prayer for you guys from today's prayer. Okay? And today's prayer is God is within her. She shall not fall. Psalms 46:5. Okay? So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, please hit that notification bell to get notified of when I upload more content. Please be blessed, be kind, be crafty, be safe, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. Bye-bye for now.